Which of these two apples would you choose? What if there was a third option in the middle of these two options? And what if the apple's price increased with their size? And what if it didn't? Or what if I told you that a majority of the participants chose the largest apple? And does it matter what items you use? Like, what if we use bottles and ask the same question? Or cups? Decision making is complex, and many factors can influence our brain's decision to make a choice. We might even have different reasons for why we make decisions, called rationalization. In this science project, you'll investigate factors that influence decision making and see if we all think similarly or dissimilarly. Let us know in the comments which items you use to test your participants' decision-making process. For more detailed instructions on how to do this science project yourself, use the link in this video's description. To see more projects like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.